Hi, and welcome to Tim Connolly Drums. I'm Tim Connolly, professional drummer with 50 years drumming experience and 38 years teaching experience. If you check out my YouTube channel, you will find lots and lots of great drum lessons. Okay, that last groove, I forgot to mention that it's influenced by Steve Gadd. That's where I picked that up. Lots of interesting drum reviews and unboxing videos. Drum teacher reacts video. Oh my God, the speed is just ridiculous. And the fluidity that he just moves around. And basically anything to do with drums. Back to you with an awesome video today, top 10 greatest drummers of all time, also known as the GOATs of drumming. Please check out my channel, as it's for beginners to advanced players of all levels, all different styles. I specialize in technique, grooves, and getting anyone interested and passionate like me about drums and music. Keep drumming. See you soon. Take care.